Hello, hello, hello. Hello, Pradeep, are you there? I think it's not. It is mute. Okay, can we then go for the Murugan? Can you tell me something about
Hi,
yourself?
Ragul.
Hi,
Am I
hi.
audible?
Yes, you're audible. Yes.
Yep. So my full name is Muruga Palaniyandi. So I do have around 5.6 years of experience in telecom.
Mm-hmm.
So currently working with a reputed company in Bangalore
Mm-hmm.
as a
Mm-hmm.
performance engineer.
Okay.
Uh, I mean to say that I'm into telecom, into automated operations. So everywhere nowadays in automation.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes, yes.
In my team also looking for the automation into telecom, how we can implement it in telecom. So
Mm-hmm.
that I just want to learn Python automation. So I just joined here.
Okay. So right now in Python automation, you are the network side or UE side?
I'm not. I am into the network side, but into the performance testing, how the network is behaving, using the automated tools to check the network's performance.
And I got it. I got it. So you're on the network side. So right now you're not. Are you using any of the automation tool frameworks for that right now? Any your
Uh,
company might be you're not using, but your company using any
uh,
software, Python automation tool or anything like any automation tool they are using right now currently.
they are using web UI.
Maybe
It's not.
okay.
Yeah, it's not related to Python. So
Okay.
they are using it, but so you just want to learn it using Python.
Yeah, it will use definitely.
I.
Yeah, it will. Yeah,
Yeah.
it will. I think it will help you a lot for that. Okay, I got
Yes.
it. Okay, okay. Thanks a lot for your
Yeah. Thanks.
answer. Thanks a lot. Okay, thanks. Okay, can we have next Phillips? Phillips Ramalata.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I'm a telecom network measurement specialist.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my interest in this webinar is just one. We are doing the mostly drive tests and network measurements, performance measurements. They want to find out how to get it better in terms of automation. Thank you.
Okay. So you're working in the network side or on the UE side? Network side most
I'm on
probably.
I'm at the regulator side,
Network side. Okay. So you're from India or
South Africa.
South Africa? Yeah. Your name looks like it's a little different. Anyway, welcome to the demo. Okay. Now next we have
Okay, thank you.
Lalan Kumar. Thanks. Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, yeah. Good evening,
I,
sir.
I,
Yeah,
good evening. Yes.
yeah. My name is Ilalam Kumar. Yeah, I have a 6 years of experience in the telecom domain. I have
Mhm.
experience EV modem testing as well as RAN testing.
Oh, great,
And
great. Yeah.
currently I'm looking for a automation tools because my company is also implement the automation by using a Python.
Yes, I agree. Yeah, I agree. I agree with you. Okay, thanks. Thank you. You're working on the both the side, modem and RAN first. Like very good, Lalan. I'm impressed. Thanks. It will help you definitely. The demo will help you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next we have thanks. Next we have Ravi Teja Venkates.
Hi Rahul, this
Hi.
is Ravi here. I have like 5 years of experience with just with UE testing for Qualcomm modules. Currently, I work also as a field application engineer for IoT modules. So
Oh,
yeah,
great,
my
great.
main why I want to join automation is about like yeah, as somebody mentioned that it's booming right now, and I want to
Mhm.
get involved with
I
automation. I've been in manual testing for a while. Yeah. Hello.
Just wait. Just wait. Hey, Rahul. Yeah, Rahul is joining again. Permission issue. Guys, wait. Rahul having Wi-Fi gone. Next joining next 5 minutes with another solution. Okay.
Okay, hello. Sorry everyone. My Wi-Fi got disconnected due to this. Sorry for that. Okay, sorry. Last we are with Ravi Teja. Am I right? Sorry everyone. So keep you waiting. Hello, hello. Is audible to you? Hello, hello.
Yes.
I
Yes,
do.
yeah. Why
Audible.
did you coming to it?
Yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Sorry, yeah. Sorry everyone. My Wi-Fi got disconnected. Okay, Ravi Teja, can just quick brief about yourself, and we will quickly just name and what are you doing right now.
Yeah.
Why need, why need Python?
Yeah. So, like I mentioned, I've been working in for UE testing, UE site
Yeah.
testing for
Okay.
5 years now, for especially for
Mm-hmm.
Qualcomm modules. I'm now as a field application engineer for IoT modules, which is based on
Mm-hmm.
Qualcomm chipset.
Okay.
Like I said, it's been manual testing, so I'm interested also to
In automation
understand
testing.
automation.
Okay. Okay. Thanks, Ravi Teja, for your time. I think it will help for this course. Will help you on to understanding more. Okay. Next we have Pradeep. Just your name. What are you doing? And why need? I want to learn Python. Just this thing. That's it. Pradeep, can you that? I think the same name. Pradeep too. Pradeep guest as a Pradeep guest.
Yeah, hi sir, good
Hey,
evening.
yeah. Hi. Good evening.
I have 8 year experience and currently I am working as a RF engineer in
Mm-hmm.
Airtel.
Okay. So you, I think, mostly on the performance side, KPIs measurement and other things. Am I right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Do you want to learn Python so that it will increase your knowledge? Yes, definitely it will help you, Pradeep. Thanks. Okay, next we have Rahul. Rahul as a guest, please go through it. Rahul, are you there? Okay, I think he's not listening. Okay, next we have Chandra Sarma. Chandra, can you tell me something about yourself? Then we will quickly jump to the course then afterwards. Yeah, Chandra Sarma, are you audible? Arab, can you please check? I think they are not listening. Rahul is not saying anything. I think Rahul as a guest, I'm not anything. Chandra, are you saying anything? Hello, Chandra Sharma is not audible to us. We are not able to listening you. Okay, Rahul is also on that. Okay, great. Okay, what is and last I think Awadh. Awadh, I'm seeing that Awadh gone. Mithun Kumar.
Yes, I'm Mithun Kumar. I'm working in NISU Northeast on as
Mm-hmm.
a RF engineer.
Which part in Northeast?
Nagaland.
Okay, okay. So what are you do? RF engineer. Okay, okay, great. Okay, thanks everyone to join the demo. I will give something about myself. My name is Rahul Kumar, and I have around 13 plus year experience on the software development side. I writing code, writing the code mostly in C, C++, and Python, and mostly on the Linux environment side. So I'm working as a technical architect for a reputed company. And okay, yeah, that's it about myself. So I have all networking idea, like I work for the Cisco previously, Samsung. I work for the very big companies and have a good experience about network side mostly. On side I develop on the L2 and L3 development. I mostly involved on that, and also on the automation of the all the test cases from the network side using the Python. So I'm going to give the demo for the same, and it will definitely, I hope something will you people learn. Okay, without wasting much time, we will jump likely to the demo. I request if anyone doubts any doubt, please write on some notepad or somewhere and keep on your mind. We will discuss at the last of the demo. Okay. Okay. Everyone able to see my screen? Please let me know. Okay. Anyone can confirm please that everyone able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay.
It's visual.
Visual. Okay. So okay. So someone I think already mentioned in the group that nowadays manual testing. These are the reason why we need to learn the Python. From my experience, from the teaching experience, I teach more than 7 years in the Python now. So from my experience, I can tell that these are the point which I come encounter that would helps to to learn the Python. These are the point. If anyone, I didn't find any point apart from that till now for 8 points. Mostly people want to do that. Anything I'll normally, if I get feedback from any of the our student, we add on our in this one. First one is that mostly yes, that is perfectly. I agree with that. Now in telecom, everyone moves to the automation, and they more automation. Python is the best suit for writing the code for doing the automation. So that's why yes. So we have to do that because automation write code. I have seen mostly 90% code, almost 90% automation in telecom, especially in telecom domain, doing with the help of Python itself. It's not like that you can't do that automation with C, C++, Java, or C Sharp .NET. You can do with that as well. But there's some benefits for Python. That's why people use the Python for automation. So that is the one of the reason. Because manual testing, and trust me, in my team, uh, we have a testing team and I'm on development team, so I get a requirement so that I can make their test cases automated, and they make them redundant. Means they want, company wants them to leave, giving the 2 months 3 months salary, and they let us testing team, manual testing team. They give me this job to make their test cases automation, and I did, obviously I have to do because my job. They told me to do the test case automation, and after about 2 3 months they told the company, the manual testers, please you can go and we make them redundant, and they give me a 2 3 months salary. Afterward they go. Yes, that is the, in company itself I've seen that yes, it's working nowadays. So people moving towards the automation. So yes, so I think that's 10 11 candidates are there, but everywhere I went for seminar on the or anywhere, I always told guys, yes, try to get to the automation tool, try to learn as soon as possible, because anytime they can do that, might be 1 year 2 year 3 years down the line. Okay, the one of the things definitely point that. Second thing, I have seen the local analysis also. Suppose you have network logs, UE logs, and other logs. So you have to do the uh, do the log analysis. Suppose let's I will give one example. I've written the simple code for that. Let's do some one code which I've written in the Python. Suppose this is a simple networks logs. Okay, just this is a simple RACH logs. Message one, message two, message three logs are there. And okay, these are parameters, and some people are suppose interested to know the, suppose I just pump some rsrp value on the logs of rsrp cqi. I want to search this value corresponding to what are that, like these are some value we want to interested or know to that. How can we do that? Okay, let's try to write a simple, run a simple code for that, and let's see how it's work. Okay, with the Python. So I write a simple code for that, just run here, and this is the Python code for that. Python code normally extension is p.py. This is a Python code where we are trying to open the log files which we have. This is just simplicity. I've taken a small file obviously for the demo, but we can do so many things. Okay, so this is the this is the log file. So where suppose we want to first we are at want to let's see we want to in this big message we want to interested to see the message to only what are the content of message to. Okay, so what we have to do in the code just simplicity, don't get confused. When we learn we will go into detail to how it works. Basically we just open that logs and this and we are going each line and trying to the message to and just print it. Okay, so let's run it first. We'll see how it works. Mm, and for running that py is the command to run that. We will see that. Okay, don't get confused whether what is this. We will when we learn and run it. You see, so from the logs we can find the search and we print the message to basically from the big logs. Right. This is the simplicity for demo. I'm just making a small log. Okay. Now someone interested to suppose in these logs we get the message to. Message to is where is the message to here. You want to see the what is the message to content. I hope you guys from the telecom so they know what is message one, message two, message three, right? Procedure. I'm sure you people are aware for that, right? So I'm sure what is PRH ID, index, RNDI values, right? Timing advance. I'm sure you guys are aware. So I'm not going to because we learned the. I'm not going to discuss about the telecom terms. So I expecting you people are knows. Okay. Okay. So for example, we print the in the same way we can do the print message one. Okay. Let's do some other analysis on that tool. Suppose we are interested to. Okay. Just make it comment here. And we want to interested to get the CQI values of that CQI or RSRP value. Okay, let's make it uncomment and we run it. And we want to just in the logs there is RSRP and CQI values are there. And we want to see that how it works. Okay, we run that same way. Just py. You have to, this is the file name. We written the code py and just run it. You see, we get the RSRP values minus 60, minus 25, minus 50, 20. So we can get the RSRP value on the from the logs. And from the logs, we can key the right. The minus 60 will tell you RSRP good, bad. From that, you can tell. Suppose you are not connected, right? Suppose network and you are close to that, but you are seeing that your U is not able to reach. So we can see that the RSRP value is degrading, upgrading on the basis of you can conclude something. Basically, you can do the log analysis with the help of Python very easily. I'm just give a simple example for that. Okay, now go to the next point. Also, you see all the complex calculation done via the automation nowadays. The best part is there, suppose your automation is there in the Python, the complex calculation. I'm sure you guys, if you're working on the 4G or 5G, I'm sure you must go through the one of the formula for 5G. I can let you show the throughput, data throughput, 5G throughput. If you see, I'm not sure how many guys you have gone through this. This is a 5G throughput formula, right? I'm sure the data rate, basically download data rate. What is the data rate? This is the data rate. I want to calculate this formula, a big one. Looks big, scary. I'm sure you guys, someone have seen this pictures, the formula. I'm might be someone have used on the KPI guys, mostly on the 5G who are working on the RF engineer. I'm sure you must have tweaked this value like number of memos, your modulation type. You dynamically normally is adapted, but you have to might be sometime you will do the manually change the modulation type QPSK COM 256. These are the parameter you might 100% on RF engineer normally the performance engineer do to tweak these values to get the throughput more or less depends upon the condition. Like nomologies, whose nomology you take 15, 30, 45. Like so this formula can be we can implement this same complex formula with the help of Python. Okay, let's go through the code for that first. Then we will do the this is simple code here. Okay, this is a code for that. So what we have to do, we have to just what are the input prime number of CCs required, number of memos, modulation type, bandwidth type, FDD or TDD, scaling factor. We take all these parameters and we do the calculation here and we run it and we'll see how it works. Basically, without running, no one can understand how it works. Okay, and here for that, what happened? Let's run it first and we'll see how it works. Okay. Okay, we can have here. Okay, we run it. This is the 5G. Okay, we run it. You see, as is run, what I did, I basically display the pictures because some people don't know the formula for that. That's why I put the picture here, image. For the Python, we can also display the image. So what I pay to you, this is the image are there, which I'm just displaying now. Because some guys might be don't know the formula for that. So what if for the users, I display the formula first, then I get the console. So what happened when you're writing that, you see when you, and for you getting the calculation, you need these parameters basically to calculate that. You need the number of cc's, right? These are the input you require to enter the number of cc's, right? How many cc's? Let's assume that 1 cc. Mimos, let's assume that 1. Modulation type, let's assume that 2. Okay. FDD type or DD, let's FDD. Okay. And let's uh now next calculate the number of PRV. They want a number of PRVs calculation. For PRV calculation, you require numerologies and channel bandwidth. Let's numerology is 1 and channel bandwidth is 100. You see, we get the 2.456 as Mbps. Okay. Now let's see, we can double the MIMOs and see what's the throughput. Other parameter will remain same and see the what the throughput difference. Let's run it again. Okay. Again, the formula this picture displays again. Okay, for that, next other parameter will same. 1, let's make it 2. Modulation type is same, is FDD. Nomology is 1 and channel bandwidth is 100. Do you see? So you see your throughput become double from 2.4. It become 4. It means you see the throughput can be directly proportional to your MIMOs. If you increase the MIMOs, your throughput will also increase. From that, you can see we can calculate the your 5G throughput with the help of this one. No, Python itself. Okay, and just if you see a number of lines of code, if you see the number of lines of code is from started from I think Mexley, how much line? 100 lines of code. That's it. You can write it right. I was simple. Trust me, nothing to. You already teach so many guys for that. It's nothing to worry. Okay. The one other thing you see complex collection we could do. Okay. Now next point is Python is easy to learn. Trust me, very easy to learn. Reason being you see the all the things are simple English. Print, name, main functions, you see all the things, image, so the English simple, open the image, so the image, like you see a simple English is there. Okay. Channel bandwidth, like it's very simple. I think the person who are good in English, and I'm sure you guys are working in the this telecom, mostly English is the language people used to do the conversation. So it is just English language, I can say easy to learn for. Definitely it's very simple than the C and C++, because I'm also writing the code and doing the training on C++. So it's very simple as compared to other language. Okay, very simple to learn. And it's best part, I love it. The best part of this that is OS independent. OS independent, what I mean OS independent means the code which have you written here, the same code in the Windows can be run on the Linux. You don't have to change. That's why you see most of the, if you see the Facebook and the Amazon, this company, they all the automation you see. Suppose you're searching in the Amazon some product, they will give so many others products similar. Suppose you are searching for phone with the 10,000 range, they give other options. How can do that? In the Python, they are running the on the Linux server, writing the Python code. They're searching, and this some people are they, because from the Python itself you can do the AI. AI nothing but artificial intelligence is predictive analysis basically. You on the basis of the data, they will do some own task. That is called the AI that we can do with the help of Python itself. In the Python, that is possible with the help of Python only. Because you have data, they can predict. Okay, with this data, they can put since they can show you the other sets of data on that. That can be done on that's the part. Most of the I'm seeing most of the big companies, Google and other companies, they have deployed the Python code because it's OS independent. If you're writing the code on the one platform, it can be as it is. You can run on the, suppose you have Windows server, write the same code. It's suppose because Facebook is finding somewhere Windows server is safely for them, like costly for them, they move to the Linux. If they find Linux is difficult to maintain, then they will the Windows, Mac OS, they move anywhere. Then this part is super. Okay. And next is the machine learning. As I discussed, machine learning and artificial intelligence. Trust me, this is the only I've seen the tool used for doing that. Means predictive analysis. For the data analysis, best is the Python. For the so many data you have on the data, they have to predict. Suppose you're predicting 2, 4, 6, right? What is the next? What can someone can answer from? Suppose I someone printing first 2, 4, 6. What is the next number can we come? Anyone can tell from the team, from the is group. What's the next number? I will ask Mithun Kumar. Suppose first number is printing first 2, then 4, then 6. What should be the next? Mithun Kumar, can you tell me please? Mithun Kumar?
Pardon, sir? Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm saying suppose a system is generating first 2, then 4, then next 6. What will the next number?
8.
8. Yeah. because it is predictive, right? Because on the data you can assume, if you see human mind is that 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 2 is 6, and 2 plus obviously you add 2 and becomes 8. That is called, because it is a human intervention, it's not AI. But if the same thing is done by the your code or Python or any language, it's not like Python only, anything can do these tasks. After 6 is make it 8, it means you put some brain on that, right? And it become, because human person can only tell. If you put the same data with the computer and they can do the predictive analysis, that is called the AI only. And that is, Python is really very powerful tool to do that analysis. That is called the artificial intelligence. That is only artificial intelligence is called. So that's when in telecom so many data is there. On the data basis of that, they can predictive, they can do the result and display to the users. So with the help of Python we can do achieve this. We will see some test code on that. I didn't write really some sample code with me, but I'm planning to add in our this upcoming batch to some AI's related software code to our student. Okay. Okay, now what the next is, yeah, any longest is that one programming language must do, either if from telecom or software or testing or any background, you must know one software programming language. Why I'm telling you, suppose you are from the any background, if you're in meeting, trust me, people discuss about the software, this using excel sheet, this using blah blah, but at least you know that what's going on the logs, what is showing on display, what is going on that. So you can do all this thing with the help of, at least you know Python. Then only can say, okay, the if statement, else statement, for loop, functions, concept, right? Operating system. These are the very basic concept you should know. If you're in any industry, you should know at least. Don't, so that when you're sitting in a meeting, discussion, customer interaction, KPI calculation, anywhere you work, trust me, it will give boost up when you speak to the people. Okay. And the last point is that it will increase your logical thinking, because when you're writing a code, trust me, you have to put a pressure on that, right? Like you must have to put a pressure on that to writing the code. You can't write just typing and go. You have to think the logic behind to do that, right? You can't have, right. So it's like that's why this Python also increase your logical thinking. One point I get the last week, one of the guys, I've not added in this slide, that one of the girls told me, suppose they have some good idea to implement. Suppose you want to do a startup, right? You want to get some idea to implement, to get something, but you're not able to implement it. Suppose you get an idea to, suppose you are to make a KPI tool for calculation of KPIs for the RF engineer. You know that because you're doing on the Reliance Jio, Airtel or somebody website, you know how to do the KPI calculations for different parameters. You want to make a tool, right, in the Python, and you want to display. I have, by the way, make a tool for that also. Let's show them quickly. Okay, let's show me that one tool I have making for that. Suppose you want to make a tool for KPI, right? Let me show you. I write a code for that. Let's run that. What it will do, I will tell you. Let's quickly first run the tool. 5G calculation. What it will do? It will do all the 5G, 5G calculator for you. Let me run that. NR. Okay, suppose this is your tool. So if you read, just give me a second, give me a minute myself, and you can see read what it will do. This tool will do 5G calculation. It means if you have input as 5G RFCN, it will give the corresponding NR frequency. I'm sure you know the RFCN, NR frequency. If I'm not sure you're from the 5G background, not. If not, you can. These are the terms used to calculate the NR frequencies. You have to provide the NR RFCN. You get a corresponding frequency. Okay, so I have so many things from frequency to RFCN. Okay, and suppose in 5 number, what type of band you want to check, the FDD or TD. So let's try first one. I'm trying to do first with that one option will give to convert from the RFCN to the NR frequency. So let's I'm enter 64. It will give the corresponding frequency for that. Okay, and suppose let's try the number 5. Okay, 5 number is that it will give you the type of band. Okay, what type of band is that? Let's time press 5. Okay, let's we will check NR band. So I would like from the audience, we want to check some what type of band is it, FDD band or TD band. Okay, so I will like to request La okay, Lala Dhar Sani. Are you working on 5G? First of all, I like to know. Laladhar Sani, you're working on the 5G?
हाँ जी, yes sir.
ओके, नहीं आप हिंदी बोल सकते हैं, मुझे हिंदी भी आता है, बट अदर ऑडियंस माइट नॉट अंडर, बट मुझे हिंदी भी आता है। ठीक है, तो आप 5G में कोई ऐसा बैंड बताइए जिसमें आप काम कर रहे हो अभी। टेल मी सम बैंड व्हिच यू आर करंटली वर्किंग सो दैट वी कैन चेक इट नाउ। इट इज एवरी
N78,
एन
N78 and N28.
Let's we'll check first N78. Okay, what type of band it is, by the way?
N20
N78.
N78 is the ticket.
Okay, we'll see that. Okay, enter it and we see that. You see it give the also what type of band it is. Okay, and let's 28 also will check for that. 5 number is that, and we said N28. What type of band it is?
It is the FPTD.
Ability. Let's check that. Is ability. Okay, so you see, I make a simple tool, right? And you have some idea to create your own tool and make a commercial for that, right? You can startup, you can earn from that tool, you can do that. But some people have some idea, but they can't implement that. That is the another reason people learn the Python. So these are the point I can tell you, which I'm not sure how many people are convinced with me, but these are the point which I find till now, my experience, that Python is needed for you in your career journey. So from this, my demo is finished. I won't take much time. If any questions, please come. Welcome. And the topic, let me see. Sorry, I interrupted some of the topics which we'll cover on that. Yeah, these are topic will come to cover. Like basically, we're going to embedded systems. Like basically, first, whenever I teach any uh, longest, first I go to the embedded system basics. What is embedded system? What is hardware? What is software component? Like basic thing. First, I have to cover that. Then only I start the topics. Okay, we'll get the introduction of Python, environment setup, how to write a code. From the basic, we'll go to the functions, loop, module, package, exception, class, external parsing, pandas, and real world Python examples. We'll give, at least do 5, 6 real time project, which normally we do and we do. These are the topic we'll cover when we are doing the real class. Okay, from my side, it's done. Over to you guys. If you have anything, please let me know. On over to Arav as well.
Yeah, hi, this is Abdul.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, actually, I couldn't attend this call. Just now I joined.
Mm-hmm.
So, uh, uh,
Mm-hmm.
did you record this session?
Arab can tell. Arab, are you recording this?
Yeah, session is recorded.
Okay. So, can you share the this recording in the group?
Yeah, team will share an application, and you can just download the application and you can watch over the.
Okay. Actually, I didn't cover this topic, so just now I see. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
No issue.
Mm-hmm. No worries. You can go through it, and you will get to. Sorry, Sek, you are because you are late, so we already complete. But it will recording will help you. Arab will share in the group, and it will help you to understand more. If any questions, you can ping to Arab or me. We are happy to help you.
Okay. So I just want to know means when so we the latest batch when will start?
Arab can tell on
Next
this. Will Arab?
11th of Feb. Next Sunday we'll start the batch.
Yeah, we
Okay.
immediately.
Okay.
Yeah,
Fine.
We have 9 seats
Okay.
are remaining only. 11 seats already full. In base side 20 candidate only.
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Duration is 2 months. All weekend session and all session based
Mm.
on assignment. After the session, you will get the assignment for practice, so that you will learn accordingly in
yes.
2 months.
Yeah. Actually, or also we talk with my profile. Actually, I'm working in Tech Mahindra
Mm-hmm.
last 3 years. So actually, we don't have the project. So I'm on the bench. So that's why I just want to move to like Python only.
Yeah,
In
you need
current
that in the.
market, yeah,
Yeah.
in current market, all offering based on automation only.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
If you want to
I.
save in long time, you will learn the thing.
Yes. I agree.
Yes. Yes. Fine. Thank you. Thank you so much.
So in last, which last project are you in? Say in the last Tech Mahindra Telecom project you are working for that. If you want to tell me that more detail, which one last project you are working?
Actually, sir, I'm working as a technical lead. I'm handling this project in FT. So
Mm-hmm.
Microsoft and HMD Nokia project.
Okay, 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 okay. Anyone any questions? Please let me know. Any other questions?
What is the cost of this project?
Yes, Arab can tell you. Please tell me that was the cost.
For Indian candidate, the 17,000. including GST, and out of India it will be 300 USD.
Thank you.
Yes. All session will be recorded, and you will get the recording on Google Drive, because in Python you will get big screen to see whatever code is written. Okay, if you miss the session, you can watch. Also added 2-hour QXGM session in this module. Those who are not working in testing domain, you can learn as well. Any other question?
And do we have the a practical like
Yeah, all
the
on
setup?
practical way. That's for sure. All are practical way. That's I'm sure. So many practical, so many questions. Every class we have so many. I can say questions to do that. Yes, all are
In
practical based.
last batch we have
We have to
21. In last batch we have 21 candidate, and 19
okay.
candidate is placed just after finish the course.
Yes,
So it's a
Great,
high
great.
demand in market.
yes.
Okay. So practical we attend all online or we need to come offline or
Online is there, I think, because
I,
I think the software. Yeah, I think. Yeah, Arabi, you want to say anything? Please go ahead.
all Python automation is totally practical, nothing theory. No, whatever you want to,
no
you
no
can write and you can automate the thing.
okay.
Yes. Tool is only help to capture the log and take the log from the tool. Nothing. Rahul, I am correct?
Mhm.
Yes, yes, yes. I
Because
agree
I
with you.
don't know more about
Yes.
Python
No, no, I agree.
automation.
No, I agree. Arab, you're right. Yes, yes, you're right. These all are practical, 100% sure, and people are very good feedback on that. So you won't
5 to 6
regret.
project
So,
Rahul will do for you guys, so that you
Yes.
can demonstrate into the your interview.
Mm.
Correct, Rahul?
Yes, 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 yes. 100% you can clear the
so
interview with that.
one
Only
more
thing I
question.
want from the student, sorry to interrupt, Sex. Only thing I want from the student is that whenever I complete a subject topic, for example, let's interrupt you guys. Sorry for that. Suppose we capture, let's cover, suppose this topic. Afterwards, I give some real time this exercise. I've seen most of the people out of 24, I can say really I'm seeing only 50% normally used to do that sometimes. If you do that exercise, trust me, you are in a very good position. Every topic we covers, we have a lots of practical assignment for that. After the that afterwards you get do the hand, and after we do the assignment, like that we leave as is. On the next class, first we'll check the assignment. Obviously we can't check the assignment of each one, but we invite any of the one of the candidate or two people to show their assignment to everyone, and any doubt on that, we cover that doubt on that. So we go like this only, not like this we give the assignment and leave it. Next class we discuss the assignment with some of the guys, and we share with everyone any doubts, then we go to the next topic. So you will see so many exercise assignment for this course. So if you're interested to learn, trust me, it will be good for you. But if thinking just come, listen and go, it won't help. You have to do the assignment, then only you will help. Obviously I'm here to help you to do the assignment, but you don't do the assignment, trust me, it will never ever work. I will say upfront to everyone. Some people I know, they have not got placed, they have not cleared the interviews, they come to me because they have not done the assignment. How can do that? Okay, this is the crunch of the course, I can say. Yeah, over to you, Arav and others, please. Sorry.
Ravi Teja wants to something.
Yeah, Ravita, please go ahead.
You are saying.
Hi, Rahul. I have a question about this automation. So,
Hmm.
do we use, because I see that there is a framework, automation frameworks. Do we use any of those, like Selenium or Robot or something like this?
No, we are not using that. We are not using any of the frameworks. Just you mentioned any of that, but we use so many module because framework is nothing but it's just sets of modules, right? It's comprised
Mm.
of, so framework is nothing but it's comprised of so many modules, right? That's it. But in this course we use so many modules, so many modules you can think. 5G modules we use the math, you know, image the
Mm.
players, at least so many models. It will help you so that you can use with this information, you can use the existing framework on your company, whatever you can think, and you can write the code that I'm sure that you can use the, but with this course, after learning that, you can use any framework, not what you two mentioned. That so many, because you see, learning a framework is, I don't believe on this concept, because learning a framework, it will not help you to understand the Selenium or because there's multiple frameworks are there in the world. So what I'm thinking to do normally, I people teach them how to use the modules, different modules, and nothing but at the end, modules nothing but the sets of module called we call the frameworks. That's the only definition of the framework. And framework can be anything, any type. Web framework, music framework, art framework, like so many framework is there. Whatever you want to design for every work, automobile, for mechanical, every domain they have framework. But you will learn the basic concept of that and how to use the APIs of modules
Mm.
access in your code, that you can do that. I'm 100% sure you can use the robot or other framework after learning the course in your code to do that.
Okay, thank you.
Yet, what next? Someone
It's
has raised another. Abad, I think
award.
Abad has.
Yes.
Abad is want to ask something. Abad, please go ahead.
Hi. So this class meets once a week, right? Meets once a week.
2 days class, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay, and like what times they meet? Like what timings?
Yeah, in Indian time,
Timing,
yes. Arab can please tell.
yeah, inside Saturday it will be 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. and Sunday will be 12 to 2
Okay, so
in date.
8 to 10 on Saturday and 12 to Sunday.
Yes.
Okay.
To which part
Okay.
from? Yeah, you part from Abad. You're from that. You're from India or other
No, I'm in the U.S.
US? Okay. So US time, I think 12 hours gaps are there. 12 hours difference are there from India.
12 hours. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. But you get a recording session anyway.
Oh, we get the recording. Okay, sounds good. All right. Thank you.
Any other question from?
Arav, I have one question.
Yeah.
Like you said, the cost for this. So will it be include all the LTE, 5G, and ORAN protocols, or else this will cover only for Python automation for
It's
India?
only for Python automation.
Okay. Okay. So is
For
there any
Arab,
cost difference for?
yeah, for others is there that Arab can tell. I think there is a combined offer is also there, right? Arab, you can tell
Yeah,
something on that.
yeah. Combined is already shared.
Okay.
Combined is along with protocol testing is different. Separate is we are charging 17,000 and for in USD 300 USD.
Okay. So what is the cost for combined protocol testing along with Python?
You can ping in Deepak. Deepak will share all the detail.
Okay. Okay. Good to go.
Yes.
Okay. And you have any questions?
We just need the price, man. We don't need all the details. Let's know the price first.
Okay. Okay. Arab, straight away you can say the price. Doesn't matter. And they were interested to say. I think for 17,000 for now enrolling that for its individual, what I understand from the Arab. And if you're taking the combine, it charged 15,000. Am I right, Arab?
No, no. In the protocol testing having some different cost. Only Python automation having different cost.
Okay.
Yes.
Two simple things. What is the cost of this protocol testing? What is the cost of Python programming? What is the combined cost?
Okay. Arab, can you please tell them?
For protocol testing, 4G, 5G ORAN, it 36,000. Okay. And Python, if we will add, so it's in 12,000. Only Python is 17,000.
Thank you so much.
Yes. And in
Rahul.
USD, in
Yeah.
USD, the overall protocol plus Python, it will 750 USD. Only protocol testing, 500 USD. Yeah, you can carry on. Ask you.
Rahul, one question to you. I have a question about the automation.
Mhm.
Is there any possibilities that after creating the codes for the logs or whatever, we can convert it into visualizations like we can see in Tableau? Is a kind of possibilities in Python?
Tableau means I don't understand really. What I don't know
Uh,
about this. Yeah.
we can see as like visualization, like graphs or whatever it could be after
Yes,
creating.
yes, yes. We can. Yes, we can do because the if you say NumPy and Pandas, the two modules is for all for this, table only that you can get the tables, images, everything you can get on that. Yeah, graphs easily you can get it. Yes, and might be I have one, I think real time project which also include that the where you can upload the graphs of the data. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Yes,
Hello.
Kamal. Yes, Kamal.
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
I want to know, is there any, this can be used in day-to-day activity in troubleshootings?
Yes, we already have shown one of the when we. I'm not sure when you joined in the demo. I've seen that for the debugging that we can use that. Obviously, suppose in a big logs are there, and you want to search something on the because the logs normally 1 GB, 2 GB are there. You can't open the logs in the Notepad plus, right? You can load the file in the Python, but you can analyze the logs from that. Yes, it can be used for. Suppose your daily you're measuring the KPIs, for example, right? KPIs there are so many parameters you already find it, and you need that parameters every time. What do you do? You just need to open the file, search the KPIs, and get the values, and you need to get this value and write on the says in the Excel sheet, for example. And at the evening you see the result, what are the files are dumped. Suppose you want to see the result every 1 hours for the KPI. Let's first KPI value, suppose you have LG throughput, data downlink throughput is there. For example, at 1 p.m. is, let's assume 5 mbps, then 3, then 4, 10 mbps, and the end, like when you left for the office, when you're done with the work, you can see the Excel sheet, and obviously you can decide what you want to. That is for the definitely you can do all this thing with the help of Python. Yes,
That graphical representation and all the thing
everything
could
can.
be
Yes,
done.
graphical design you can do that. Yes, yes, you
Okay.
can do the graphical representation as well. Yes, yes,
Okay.
it's very simple to learn. Trust me, it's not a tricky thing. It's easy to learn.
Hello, hi, Arav.
Yeah, hi Sek. Yeah.
So can we take like after the completing of course like mock interview or to clear this
That
one?
Arab will tell on that. Arab, can you tell on this, please?
Well, after completion course, we'll refer your CV.
Okay. So that CV you need to add the project or
Whatever
Yes,
project you will learn, just we have to put on that.
yes. For the project, real-time project we do, you can add in your CVs. Yes, it will help you because you get a certificate from the Arab Tech Solutions for the same. Yes.
so after that we need to upload the resume in Times or Naukri or
Yeah. Anyway.
you
Yeah.
will do, for any other company or any.
Yes.
You have to upload your in your profile. Will share directly your CV to concerned company. Where is the opening?
Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay. Then I think if anyone not have any questions, then we can wrap up.
Yeah.
Wha-
So
What do you
registration
say?
will be open, and you can get registered in next 2 days only.
Okay. Okay. So
Can you
thanks
repeat
everyone.
what is the next batch available?
Yeah, the class will be commerce from next week. I think 11th February. Yes, from next week we'll start the course.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you,
I
Arav.
think
Thank you.
okay.
Thank you.
Thanks, Rahul. Thanks to all.
Thanks. Thanks, Arab. Bye bye. Bye everyone.